Hi guys, welcome to another video. So we're replacing s20 plus charging port. So we start off by hitting the back glass of the fan. So using the surgical blade, we make an opening and then use a plastic plane cut to just loosen the adhesive all around the edges. So have patience with this one. This one is a bit tricky. So if it doesn't come off, you want to heat more. The edges are tricky. This there we go. Put the back glass aside. So we go ahead and unscrew these Phillips screws. There's about 5. So all the screws are same size, so you don't have to put them in order. You can just keep them all together. So go ahead and remove the speaker. So there, we're going to remove this charging port from here. So before we go do that, we make sure we disconnect the battery. So we're gonna go ahead and just remove this plate as well. So once you remove the screws, we're just gonna remove this plate. That's the battery connector. We're just gonna remove it. And now we're gonna go back to the charging port. Disconnect these flex cables. Then we're gonna go ahead and remove the charging flex. Once you remove the charging flex, the board, you can just get a new piece, install it, same thing, and then you just assemble the fan. That's it. Thank you.